Hey guys, we're out here doing some camping this morning and we were talking about the Gonzo grill from Eureka. Now I love this little grill, one of the coolest camp grills I've ever used, and I'm going to walk you through why I think that and what we've got going on with this kitchen setup here. So the Gonzo grill is just like any sort of traditional camp grill in that it's a propane grill. What sets this apart though is that it's actually like a 3-in-1 cook system. So it's a flat griddle, cast iron, you flip it over and it's a traditional grilling surface. Beyond that, on the inside, it's actually got a traditional pot support. The Gonzo's got 4 full turns of adjustability on the front, so you can really dial in your heat and your temperature control. You can get it down to just a simmer if you want. What's really cool about the Gonzo grill is that it links together with all of these other camp accessories. In fact, you could even get 10 Gonzo grills lined up in a row and daisy chain them all and run it off of one propane source. So that's what we're doing this morning. I've got one propane can. It's hooked up to the Eureka Spire LX, which is a 2-burner camp stove. Off of that is a JetLink hose, which runs into the Gonzo grill. The Gonzo grill has a fuel input and a JetLink output. So for 190 bucks, you get an incredibly versatile camp grill. The Gonzo itself is like a 3-in-1, great temp control. And then on top of that, you can connect all sorts of different stuff. It's really just a super versatile grill for a huge number of people, or if you're going solo.
Portability and versatility are in our DNA. The portable flat-top grill embodies just that. It's designed for portability and storability in mind. Your next adventure will never be the same. Featuring collapsible legs, folding shelves, and 4 powerful yet reliable burners. A large pre-seasoned removable griddle for your outdoor breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Wherever the road ends, the adventure begins with the portable flat-top grill.
Welcome to Kevin's Backyard. One staple that you'll find at almost every barbecue I throw is grilled sausage. And I know many of you out there have a hard time grilling it. You put it on the grill, the casing breaks, all the juices get out. I'm going to solve those problems for you, give you some great tips on how to grill the perfect sausage. Let's talk about our sausage. And there's 2 types that you can use, pre-cooked and raw. Today we're going to be using raw. Our grill setup, we're going to start it on high and preheat it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once we've gotten that taken care of, we're going to use our stainless steel brush and clean the grates. Then going to get the lid closed and adjust our temperature down to low. Now when we're grilling sausage, we want to make sure we're using the low setting. We want the casing to naturally expand. We don't want to crack it. If it breaks, you're going to let out all that juice, it's going to dry out the sausage and it's not going to be flavorful. So once you've got our grill set to low, we're going to set our timer for about 5 to 7 minutes and get our sausage on the grill. We've flipped our sausages, now we're going to set our timer for another 5 to 7 minutes. And once that goes off, we're now going to check them. If they're nice and golden brown, they're going to be coming off. If you're looking for some extra browning, adjust the heat and turn that to a medium. Look at these sausages, they look phenomenal. And this is why my family and friends demand them at our barbecues. And I guarantee if you follow the tips in this video, your grilled sausages will look this perfect each and every time.
When you're headed out for a tailgate or camping trip, you want to focus on the fun. So you need a grill that can cook anything and is built to travel. The Char-Broil Grill-To-Go X200 is the rugged, go-anywhere grill that prevents flare-ups and puts that perfect sear on your steak and anything else you want to sizzle. For over 65 years, Char-Broil has been dedicated to outdoor cooking innovation. Our true infrared system makes it easy to grill your food just right every time. The special design also means no flare-ups, and even heat across the cooktop. The X200 is a roadworthy powerhouse with rugged construction and a latching lid that doesn't mind getting tossed around. It comes equipped with stainless steel cooking grates, a handy lid-mounted temperature gauge, and a high-impact frame with legs and carry handles. The Char-Broil Grill-To-Go X200 delivers all the features you need to bring the flavor to your next trip. So live it up and get one for yourself today.
Napoleon is making it easy to take your backyard barbecue anywhere, from your condo's balcony to the campsite and to the big game. where you can display your grilling expertise in any location. With 6 models available in a variety of colors and fuel types, including natural gas, propane, and electric, you're sure to find your perfect grill. Get the fire going with instant Jetfire ignition and 2-piece personalized cast iron Iconic Wave cooking grids guarantees excellent heat retention and those distinctive Napoleon sear marks. With a cooking grid area of 285 square inches, Napoleon's portable grills are large enough to use as your full-time backyard grill, allowing you to cook up to 19 burgers at once. Keep the fire going at just the right heat with the ultra-precise AccuProbe temperature gauge. Safely and instantly read the internal temperature of your grill with a smoking and searing range built in to ensure you're obtaining the best results. Enjoy all of the features of your grill for years to come, as the solid engineering and high-quality stainless steel hardware components ensure long-lasting performance and are backed by an industry-leading 10-year warranty.
Hey guys, Brian with Eureka here, and today we are checking out the Spark Camp Grill. This thing is awesome, and it makes it really easy to bring a grill with you to camp. So the first thing you need to know about the Spark Camp Grill is that it runs on butane as opposed to propane like a lot of other camp grills. There's a built-in compartment that holds an 8-ounce fuel canister, so everything fits neatly in here and it becomes an all-in-one package that's ready to go as soon as you get to camp. You just snap in the fuel and you're ready to start grilling, no attachments required. And there's no reason to bring a bulky propane canister with you. It even has auto ignition for easy starts. You just drop this lever to lock in the fuel, then turn the knob past full power to ignite, and you're good to go. As you can see, it's incredibly compact and portable, but it still packs plenty of power. And it has a 120 square inch grilling surface, so you won't run out of room while you're cooking dinner. Now, the other thing you want to keep in mind is you don't want to use a metal utensil on the grate, so make sure you stick to plastic or silicone like these from Jetboil. Like all Eureka cooking gear, the Spark Camp Grill has an adjustable flame, which gives you the ability to bring some variety to your meals at camp. It's just as easy to get the perfect char on your burgers as it is to lightly toast your buns. It's basically like cooking on a smaller, portable version of your backyard grill. One of my favorite things about this grill is that the removable grate is made of non-stick ceramic. Now that obviously helps keep food from sticking to it, but it also makes it really easy to clean up afterwards. It lifts up just like this, and then all you've got to do is wipe it off with a brush or a sponge, no scrubbing required. There's also a built-in removable drip tray, which you can see right here. Now the cool thing is this is actually the one piece of the grill that's dishwasher safe. And that's great because drip trays are the messiest part of any grill. So throwing this one in the dishwasher when you get home keeps things easy. As you can see here, it also has built-in adjustable feet. So it's incredibly stable no matter where you set it. The Spark Camp Grill also comes with this great carry case, which makes it even easier to transport. So if you want to step up your camp grilling game, but you don't want to lug a huge heavy grill into the woods, this thing is perfect. It's an all-in-one grill that's small, easy to cook on, but still has plenty of cooking surface. Just because you're packing light doesn't mean you have to sacrifice your grill top.
Hej, jag heter Claes, jag är produktchef på Primus och vi står här nere i prototypverkstan. Jag tänkte visa vår nya grill Kursoma. Den är som ni ser på formatet väldigt portabel men helt utan att kompromissa på grillegenskaperna. Vi börjar med att fälla ut benen. De snäpper och låses i plats som ni hör. Och sedan så kollar vi på gasanslutningen. Det finns många olika adaptrar till den här grillen, men monterat från butiken så passar den Primus gasbehållare. Om vi öppnar upp grillen och kollar så ser vi först och främst att det finns ett väldigt rymligt lock. Det här är speciellt praktiskt när du vill grilla indirekt och få värme även runt om det stycket du grillar. De här två klackarna håller också ner grillgallret, vilket gör att när locket är stängt så skramlar det inte och saker och ting ligger på sin plats. Grillgallret är gjutet i aluminium vilket gör att värmespridningen är väldigt god i den här. Så du får en jämn värme över hela. Den har också en non-stick-beläggning, vilket gör att den är väldigt lätt att göra rent, men också att maten inte bränner fast särskilt enkelt. Under grillgallret så finns det en dropplåt som lyfts bort väldigt enkelt. Den här samlar ju upp mycket matrester och flott som ramlar genom gallret. Så det är väldigt enkelt att kunna lyfta upp den, hälla ut vad du vill och sen bara in i diskmaskinen eller diska av den. Här under så ser vi då rörbrännaren som har en väldigt lång låga så den sprider sig gott över hela grillgallret. Den går också att finjustera från väldigt låg värme till ganska hög värme beroende på vad du ska grilla. Det finns också en piezotändare vilket gör att det blir väldigt enkelt att tända grillen. Vi plockar ihop delarna igen, dropplåten på plats. Grillgallret på plats. Stänger vi den där. Viker ner. Så det här var då Kushoma grill.